Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download video footage on Canva. First, make sure you open the Canva, and after that, you can go to the video on the top and select the video. For example, I'm gonna use this blank option. Okay, after this, slide the right button below and select the videos, and you can choose any video that you want. Okay, for example, I gonna search for travel video, and then select this one, resize the video, and then tap over here, and now press download again, and here it is. That's the tutorial how to download the video footage on Canva. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.